One of the greatest challenges the world is facing is supplying food to its population. We have a growing number of people. Add to it the fact that we have a climate crisis, and we have a challenge. That's the main purpose of the Sheldon Lavin Center for Safe, Secure, and Sustainable Food Systems.
We will integrate all the food system production, distribution, management, resilience, sustainability in order to improve the food systems that exist in Israel and all over the world.
The Sheldon Lavin Center is unique because it has all the components that have to do with food. And our Faculty of Agriculture has a history of supplying innovations to the world.
The center is going to be established on 3 pillars. The first one is the science and the technology. We have many expertise in different disciplines under the area of the food system, and we are going to work inside the university and in the national level and international with other universities. The next pillar is training, where we are going to train PhD students. And the last one is outreach and partnership with NGOs and with the industries, because the idea is to connect between the academia and the industry in order to find solutions that are going to be practical in the food system area.
One of the unique things about the Hebrew University is that we have very dynamic interdisciplinary research centers that are making tremendous impact on innovation, on entrepreneurship throughout the ecosystem. This center is going to do the same thing by bringing together people from biology, agriculture, ecology, and engineering to create interdisciplinary studies and efforts that will dramatically change the ecosystem.
In order to tackle food security issues and think about sustainable food systems, we need to look at the different components of food systems. We need to look at technology, we need to look at agriculture, we need to look at climate, but we also need to understand the people making the actual decision in the field. This center is an ideal hub for this kind of interdisciplinary research.
Israel is like a field laboratory for climate change, and we see here change in climate that soon will happen in Europe and in other places in the world. So we have the possibility to study how the plants react to this kind of environment and to breed new crops that will suit this environment, and it can affect the production all over the world.
We want to be able to find new solutions, innovative technologies, and to try to bring these technologies really to the production, eventually to the population.
I invite you to join us on this journey for a better world.